and welcome back to the Maze Mountain Motor Speedway for the RTR Truck Series Finals. 16 drivers that competed, and it all comes down to 2. And your drivers today will be Chad Hall in his Chevy Silverado going up against Todd Oak in his Mazda Repu. Both are coming in with 38 points, so they flipped a coin to see who's going in the inside lane, and Todd won. So, race 1, you'll have Todd Owen, lane 1, Chad Hall, lane 2, and let's get this thing going. They're tied down Paul speed. Todd takes the lead, and he wins. Todd came out of the first turn like a rocket, and he's able to hold on and take this first win. So Todd has won. Here we go, race 2. Chad Hall, lane 1. Todd Owen, lane 2. And it's Tyson down Martin again, but he spins out of control, but he's able to maintain his composure enough to win. Wow! Todd Owen comes out ready to play today. So, Chad has the win. 3 in a row, or he won't be eliminated. Todd only has to win 1 more. Here we go, race 3. Todd Owen, lane 1. Chad Hall, lane 2. And they're off. It's tied again down Paul Speed. This time Chad Hall pulls away and wins. Chad Hall finally woke up and he's ready to rock. Here we go, race 4. Todd still only needs 1 more win. Chad Hall in lane 1, Todd Owen lane 2. And they're off. Todd Owen takes a long lead. He's got the lead. This is his. Oh my God. No, he had this thing all sewn up. Todd Owen was going to be your truck champion with that win, and he wrecks. Let's take a look at the replay. He had the lead all the way down. He tries to go high on the second turn, and he's not able to hold on, and he wrecks. So you know what that means, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes Harvey. Todd said he's okay. He gives the thumbs up. He's ready for race 5. So Harvey's coming out and gonna tow him up the mountain. Chad Hall looks on, and he's ready to rock as well. And there goes Harvey. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, race 5. This is for all the marbles. Whoever wins is your champion. Todd Owen, lane 1. Chad Hall, lane 2. And they're off. They're trying to get down Paul Big. Chad takes the lead, and he sails it. Oh, my goodness. It was such a close race. It was so tight coming out of the first turn. But Chad Hall had just enough to get past Todd Owen. And Chad Hall will be your champion of the RTR Truck Series. Thanks so much for watching with us today, and if you're a race fan, please like, share, and subscribe. We also want to thank all the wonderful drivers that participated in this series. Thank you so much. Congratulations to Chad Hall. And with that win, it puts him in the year-end All-Star Tournament, going up against our previous tournament champions. And here's a little sneak peek at what's coming to us next here at Maze Mountain Motor Speedway. You're not going to want to miss it. I've been your host, Randy T. Rothmeyer. Thanks again for joining us. And until next time, race on!
Auburn sucks.
Auburn sucks.
I like driving in my truck.
He likes to drive in his truck.
Auburn sucks.
Auburn sucks.
I like trucks.
He likes trucks.
I don't care for Auburn.
He doesn't care for Auburn. Hoes.